Good morning everyone, how are you? So this is Agib Zama, your English coach, and in this video I am going to cover the part 2 of the active and passive voice. So in my previous video I told you about the indefinite parts passive, and in this video I will tell you about the continued parts of passive. So here it goes. So there are two continuous tenses can be done into passive form. One is present continuous and the second is past continuous. Future continuous does not have any passive form, and perfect continuous also don't have any passive form. So let's begin with present continuous. You know that the main identity of the continuous tense is ing in the verb, and the main identity of the passive is third form is given in the verb. So we have to convert the present continuous tense in passive voice. So what we need to do, first of all we take the object, we'll make it subject, and after that we will use the same helping verb of the tense. Means to say present continuous tense is there, we will use present continuous helping verb. The helping verb of present continuous is rm. You know it? Is rm is the helping verb of present continuous. So we will use the same helping verb, but we will have a slight change. We will use being word, being, right? And after that we will put the third form of the verb, and whatever the verb will be given in the sentence, and after that we'll put by an object. So an example is there, I am teaching you, for example, I am teaching you. If I want to make it into passive form, that how will I make? First of all, see, I am teaching you, the work is done by me, so I am the subject here, and am teaching is a helping verb and verb there, and you is the object. So we will take the object first. We will write you, and you agrees with r, we will put r because it's the same helping verb tense as rm. We can use any, but according to the subject. So you are, then we put being, and then the third form of teach will become taught. So you are being taught by, I goes after by, it will become an object me. So the sentence will be you are being taught by me. Like he is playing cricket is being played by him. You are drinking water is being drunk by you. They are helping me, I am being helped by them. You understand? And the next, if the negative is there, you will make it into negative form, like she is not listening the song. Songs are not being listened by her. They are not digging the field. The field is not being dug by them. If the interrogative is there, like are you doing this work, you will make the question of passive also. So like the question is, are you doing this work, you will make the passive, is the work being done by you. So suppose that the question, I hope you you are clear with this example. As are you doing this work, is this work being done by you. If it is coming in the interrogative form with double interrogative, like question words are there, like how is he, so how is he writing the letter, so you can make it into passive, that how you will leave as it is. I told you that the question word doesn't change. How, the question was how is he writing the letter, so you will make how is the letter being written by him. I hope it is clear. And now we take the example of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense passive form will be this, I was making food, right? The food was being made by me. It's very simple. The woodcutter was cutting the trees. The trees were being cut by woodcutter. So in this way you understand how just you convert the passive. It is so simple and easy. And if the negative is there, you will make into negative form, like they were not beating the boy was not being beaten by them. If the interrogative is there, was she decorating the board? Was the board being decorated by her? And if the question with question word, like what what was he doing? What was being done by him? So in this way we can say that passive form is very easy, but we need to pay a little, our attention towards the passive form. It can be done simple way. And one more interesting thing about is that passive voice is very much used when you talk generally. There are so many example I can give, like I am being told, you are being asked, he is asked by you, okay, the question is asked to you, trees are cut. So many tenses, are spoken in passive form. So we must know this passive form. This is the part 2 video, and I will shoot the part 3 soon. I will post that video, and the topic of passive voice will be finished. I hope you understand. So if you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and like the videos, share with your friends, and pen down that. Thank you. Have a nice day.